Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the HP web services so you could configure your printer to print over the internet. And that way, let's say you have a printer at the office and you want to be able to print to it from home or vice versa. You know, if you maybe have a printer at home, you want to be able to print it from the office. So once you configure this and you have your printer on, then all you need to do is send anything you need to be printed as an email to your email address that they will give you, and then it'll print out on your printer. So the first thing you need to do is find the IP address of your printer so you could go to the interface, the web interface. So if you have your printer there, if you don't already know it, you could go to the Web Services tab and find it there, or go on the printer itself, print out a configuration page, or get it from the screen. And then once you got your printer there, the IP address, make sure you put :80 on there for the port. You'll have your web page here with all your various information. You can check out your supplies and network information and so on. And then you'll have this HP Web Services tab. So what you need to do is click on the Enable button, and it'll connect. Okay, now it's going to print a web services information sheet with the email address. All right, here it comes. Okay, so that'll show you the information, and also you could reprint the sheet here if you want. And if you go here, it'll tell you the same information, so that way you don't have to try and type it off the piece of paper. So it says it's connected to the web services. Here's the address it's going to use. So you could just copy this, and we'll go over to this email address here, and we'll try it out. So we're going to send an email to our HP unique email address here. Let's put something in here. Print this. Let's attach a file. Let's do this resume. So we're going to send it off. And then we just need to wait a couple minutes for it to actually print. It's not super instant, but it does show up, in a couple minutes. Okay, so here comes the print job. Of course, you can't see it, but take my word for it. It printed it. It looks good. And then you can see here we got a reply, ePrint job received. Your print job has been received, prepared for printing, and so on. So once again, you could also come here and turn it off too temporarily, or if you go back here, you could remove web services. So like I was saying, go to the IP address of the printer, go to the web services tab, enable it, get your email address, and then you could just send print jobs to that email address, and then they'll be printing over the internet. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.